Just a regular January morning, 9 a.m., and you on your daily routine carpooling to school. Nothing special except you are in a tiny Chevrolet Bolt, which is a magnet for all kinds of people with a superiority complex. Yet suddenly there is an unhappy driver that thinks we're too slow. Sad truth about small, humble, affordable cars. They attract nonstop bullying. Opposite side of efficiency and affordability, what happens virtually every day? Tailgating, cutting off, or even open unprovoked aggression, as in this video. Whatever triggered this, we apologize, but frankly, he rather looks like a seasoned criminal who wants to teach unexpecting citizens a lesson.
At the hands of another person, or the actions of another person contributed to the death of the person. Our thoughts are with every individual affected by this tragic event. Thank you.
But, yeah.
Another mark unit. Oh, holy yeah. What is y'all doing? Just not right in front of me.
Look at this crazy shit. Holy shit. Damn. Holy shit.
Safely and legally at LAist.com. There's also, that's also the place where you can grab the latest in local news, by the way. Highs in the low 60s.
Somebody being an asshole. How about you calm down?
No!
Calm down!
What?
Calm down! Calm.
Stop it! Get your ass as old as I am right
What's wrong with you? Why are you so angry?
You're an idiot!
Why are you so angry?
Stop right at the lights and I'm gonna somebody that rash into the back of you.
Did you notice the snow and the ice?
Yeah, that's why you don't do like that, you goddamn dumb bastard.
Why are you being such an
You're an asshole, you stupid motherfucker. Stop right
Thanks.
way.
Thanks. You make life so nice. People like
So do
you.
you dumbasses like you that stop.
Why
and
did you
almost
honk?
wrecked.
Why don't you
Why didn't you go
be
on?
patient? Why don't you be
Why didn't you go
patient?
on, stupid?
Why don't you be patient and be kind to people? Maybe the world would be
go
maybe
outside?
the world would be a nicer place
Maybe
if
you
old
stop-
like you actually helped to make the world a better place. And a generation for me.
Probably voted for Joe Biden, didn't you?
Kamala Harris, actually. Joe
Yeah,
Biden.
Kamala
Joe
Harris.
Biden wasn't in the election,
Most
idiot.
idiotic person that makes sense. You're an idiot. Cheese.
Bounce dryer sheets can't do it all, but for fresher, softer, better laundry,
T-Mobile 5G home internet keeps getting better. Get our fastest connection loaded with benefits. Get T-Mobile's best home internet starting at $55 a month with auto pay and any voice line. Plus, price lock. We won't raise your rate.
Pilots leading the way.